Hi, it's Danny V from Albuquerque, and it's hearing test day down at the audiology lab. Here's my test. That yellow line is normal. I need a hearing aid. It's middle ear stuff, and she was telling me how, like the hearing aids now, when listening to music, it can pipe it in through the hearing aid. I'm guessing you need Bluetooth, and it's just part of normal hearing. Now, here's an odd thing: is there are times when I was doing the hearing test, I wouldn't hear anything, and I just, man, I know she's doing something. But I couldn't, I didn't hear it, so I didn't hit anything. Guess the strangest part was when they were saying words, and I would say like book, room, and one of the words was, I think it was boon, Boon, but I heard boob, Boob, and I said, it's boob. And she kind of looked away, and I was like, I got to stop, I got to close my eyes. So I said boob instead of boon. Anyway, she said, well, for when it was loud enough, you hear okay, which means, yeah, I'm definitely in line. But no, I'm a headbanger. If it's too loud, you're too old. Charlie!